So our next dessert is a classic James Street Christmas pudding. And we've always got it on, every Christmas we've got it on. We're serving it with a brandy cream. This has been pre-cooked, ready to go. So all you have to do is get a pot of water, about 1.5 inches deep. You can put a saucer, in this case I'm putting a ring in the bottom because you don't want to set it right on the bottom. And all we're going to do is put the container on top of the ring so it's not sitting on the bottom with the water. So just put it in the pot and on a very gentle simmer for 25 minutes. Just get the heat right in there and it'll cook lovely and gently. 25 minutes it has been in here and we're just going to take it out. So as you can see now, very hot, just wash your hands there. And that's now just sitting there. Still very warm, heat's got into the centre of it, beautiful, ready to go. Brandy cream itself. All we're going to do is once again, cream sauce, gently bring it to the simmer. You do not want to boil this here. Really gently done. So we're going to bring it up to a gentle simmer and we're ready to go. So that'll probably take about, honestly, 30 seconds. That's how quick it is. In the meantime, just take a lid off, squeeze the side of the mold and it goes straight into your bowl. Ready to go, beautiful, ready to go. Now coming up to the boil. Nice and gently up to the boil. Just want to get a bit of heat into it, bring it together. And once again, with this cream here, we don't want it too heavy, too thick. You know what I mean? We just want it nice and loose, and that's the type of sauce we want here. And we're just going to pour it onto the side, and then you're going to serve it up. But if you wish, you can always put it into a small jug and just serve it on the side. It's purely down to yourself. So once again, over the top it goes. Those classic desserts, really pure Christmas. And being realistic, that's it. Unbelievably simple. A classic James Street South Christmas pudding with a brandy cream. Beautiful.